Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can catch this Rainy Dumbo in Fish It game on Roblox latest update. Okay, let's get into it guys. This is a legendary fish from the Pirate Cove Island. So if you want to catch this fish, first of all, you need to go to the Pirate Cove Island. And then you can start fishing on this spot. This is the spot where I catched this Rainy Dumbo. And for the rod, I would like to recommend you to use the astral rod or the the Aries rod, or if you have already completed the deep sea quest, you can use the ghost fin rod. It will be better. And wait, let me show you the fish index. Okay, you can catch this Rainy Dumbo 1 in 7.78k. Yeah, it's not that hard to catch. Okay, just go to the spot, or actually you can fish in any spot on the Pirate Cove Island. And if you're lucky, you will get this Rainy Dumbo fish. Okay guys, and that's all about the Rainy Dumbo fish and Fish It game on Roblox latest update. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.